trunk. The trunk has this smell that ours had. I even remember that.
Got battery in the Tawny. Dennis is here too.
Yeah, stick your head in there and get it right. That's what ours smelled like inside.
Uh-huh.
Oh, trunk flavor.
Oh,
Little
look
trunk
at this.
flavor.
They gave you a nice little ribbon.
Yeah, there's a little ribbon.
And I
I
guess
saw that in the pictures and I was like, I wonder what that is.
So I got the battery hooked up.
I love how springy it is. Look at this. It's like, it's got some spring in it.
Did you see how big they are right there?
Yeah.
That's amazing. And they're covered?
Uh-huh.
I wonder if that little light works.
I didn't even notice.
Got no
See the switch?
Oh.
power.
The window wipe, that goes up.
Oh.
So that settles down, and then you got something to rest on.
Okay, do you want to try starting it? Woo!
Look at the little lights. I like them.
Oh, you got lights.
I like eyeballs.
Come on, little baby. Let me check at the coil. Okay, we got power to the coil. Tom, crank it. It's leaking out of the carb, but just crank it. Let it get fuel. Ooh. Come on, Tawny. Keep going. I'll run. Tawny runs! Tawny runs! For a second.
Wait, hey, at least you started. Taillights.
You've got one headlight.
On the back, there's a turn the lights on again.
They're on.
They were just on. The taillights were on and the light, there we
Well, I
go.
have.
There we go.
The license plate lights.
We got like one and a half.
Taillights are on.
We have 1.5 headlights.
How could you have a half a headlight? Oh.
And then we clicked it and we got a little bit over there.
Wow.
I know we're right there. Oh, look, see? That one's got
Oh
a
yeah,
little
that's
light.
got a little bit.
It's got a little bit going. Like it's like a fog light or running light.
It's on now.
Yep.
Try the turn signals. Yeah, those aren't happy.
Hey,
Peter, what's happening? Gang's all here.
Gorgeous. Oh my god.
All right, let's
I
try.
love it.
I'm gonna try priming it again. Come on, Tawny. Come on, Tawny. Woo! Tawny, run! He's alive!
Oh my god, listen to that baby.
It's alive! I like it.
It's nice and quiet. It's kind of great. It really does. Sounds fabulous.
If I can.
I'm going to the back.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, it looks so good with the lights.
Doesn't it? And look at the license plate with the light on the license plate all the way across.
I'll keep those plates on too.
Oh yeah, totally.
We even found the light in the trunk.
Yes.
Surprised.
Oh, it smells good to come.
You like that?
Can you pull the key out while it's running?
Oh no! Don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. Yeah,
No. Okay.
we're celebrating.
Because I want to see when you.
It runs.
Don't shut it off.
It took a while, but we got her going, and she's definitely running off of fuel now, and not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it right there.
Much in there though.
Yeah, but look at this. There's silicone all down here, and this was leaking. I mean, we're gonna have to go through it, but
But she runs. This how
let me
quiet
give it
and
the
smooth.
throttle.
All right, kids, I gotta go. I gotta 3 o'clock.
Tom, you happy? Tom's happy. Peter's happy. I'm happy.
I never come out. I came after this.
Yeah, this is one of those. You gotta come over for this. Well, she's definitely got a flat spot, but we'll get it. Tawny runs. Remind me to undo that and jumper that wire, because I jumpered those two together. So whatever that is bad. We gotta figure it out.
You mean the connector?
Yeah, because it's supposed to be one, and you know. But hey, Tawny runs. Tawny's running. Sounds pretty good. Happy Tom?
I'm a happy Tom. This is a
Great day.
I love it. It's a little bit like the Pontiac. It works one way and not the other.
Yeah, we're gonna need to do horn contacts.
It's a left-hand horn.
It's a cute little horn. Temp gauge is working.
The smell is changing.
Yeah, because it's not rich anymore. Temp gauge is working. Fuel gauge is working too. Turn signal.
It's weird. The turn signal sort of
Do their own
seated
thing.
You know, you turn it on and then it gets seated, sort of.
Gets situated. Dash lights work.
Oh, that's dash light.
This one's dash lights right here.
Does it have a switch to brighter or dimmer?
No, they're just on or off. And then there's fog lights.
Where are fog lights? This doesn't have.
They're
fog
built
lights.
into the headlight
Oh, really?
bulbs.
Huh.
That's the fan for the heat, I'm assuming. And then wipers work, but we're not going to turn that on again.
Is it just one speed?
Let me give it more RPM.